Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever heard of these terms? Claim, deductible, first party loss, third party loss, car insurance? Do you know where all these terms come from? P and C insurance. What is P and C insurance? In P and C insurance, P stands for property and C stands for casualty. Let's go into bit detail to understand better. What is P? P stands for property. Property means it can be a personal property such as car or a home, and it can be commercial property. In PNC, it covers for first party loss. What is first party loss? When a damage occurred to insured property, it is known as first party loss. And what is C in PNC? C stands for casualty. It's your legal responsibility when you injured someone or damaged others' property due to our actions. In insurance terms, we can say PNC covers for third party loss. What is third party loss? When insured is responsibility for others' property damage or others' injury due to insured actions, it is known as third party loss. Now you got it right. PNC covers both first party loss and third party loss. Now let's go through an example of PNC insurance, how it protects insured from huge financial losses. Let's assume there is a person named Ram. He have a car insurance, okay, and it covers $10,000 for first party loss, $5,000 for third party loss, and every month he is paying $100 premium, and he can pay it annually, quarterly or monthly. And in our case, our insured is paying it monthly. And one fine day, he is traveling from his home to office. Due to brake failure, he collided with another car. In simply, we can say he met with an accident where his property, where his car got damaged, and others' property, which is others' car got damaged. It means now first party loss happened and third party loss also occurred. And let's assume for his car damage, it's cost up to $4,000 for repair. And if it's come to third party loss, it needs $3,000 for repair. Let's assume he don't have a PNC insurance. He need to take entire amount from his own pocket, right? It's a huge financial burden for him. But luckily, our insured have PNC insurance, where it covers first party loss and third party loss. Now what he will do? He will file for a claim. Now company will examine this and they will fix some amount where it will cover first and third party loss. Do you think simply company will disperse entire amount to his account? No. Here he need to pay some deductible. What is deductible? Deductible is some amount where insured need to pay it for company first, then all other pending amount will be disbursed by company. And for your understanding, we know about the copay in health insurance, right? Where for example a person got some severe health issues and it will take up to $10,000 for his operation, then he need to pay 10% and insurance company will pay 90% for the expenses. Similar to that, even in PNC insurance, we have this deductible where insured need to pay some part of amount when he files a claim, then only insurance company will disperse all other pending amount. And remember one thing, insurance companies always pay up to coverage amount. Every policy has some coverage amount. In our case, it's $10,000 for first party loss, and third party loss it's $5,000. If amount exceeds, then insured need to pay amount from his own pocket. I hope you got it. Now I explained you about auto LOB, right? What is LOB here? LOB is nothing but line of business where insurance company group similar type of risk. Okay. Do you think we have only auto LOB here in PNC? No. In PNC, we have auto LOB and property LOB and liability, different kind of LOB we have. Let me elaborate a bit. In auto, we have personal auto, commercial auto, And in property you have personal property, commercial property, you have liability insurance, LOB, and you have workers compensation. Similar to this, you have a number of LOBs in PNC. In our further videos, let's discuss about those terms such as LOB and what are different type of LOBs and indemnity and deductible in more detail. Okay, if you like my video and if you need more such videos from me, please comment it in comment section, so it will encourage me more to do such videos. Thank you.